Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Outwrite to enhance your grammar clarity and overall writing quality. Good writing is essential for emails, assignments, blog posts, and professional documents, but catching every grammar mistake and improving sentence flow can be challenging sometimes. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to use Outright to check grammar errors, improve sentences structure, enhance readability, and rewrite content for a more professional tone. You will also learn how Outright works across different platforms and how it helps you write with confidence and accuracy. So right now we are at the website of the outright.com. So this is the URL of the website. So first of all, when you come to this website, you have to click on this get started for free. Okay. So I've just clicked on get started for free. Here we are going to sign up on this website first. So we are going to proceed with our Google account. Okay. So let's select continue with Google. You can also choose your Facebook account, or you can also do manual sign up. Okay. So I want to use this Google account. So I just selected it. So in this section, you can select any of the options, but let's suppose we want to go with this option and select here and then continue. Okay, so this is not mandatory. Okay, so we are at the dashboard of the Outright. So whatever you write, it will give you suggestion. Like as you can see, they have already given us the sample of the text. This is the sample text which is being written. So it has some underlined word with red lines. As you can see, then some are the with the blue lines. Okay, so they can be improved phrase. Okay, so they have also showed you the improved version. So let's just click this and it will this how that's how it can improve it. So first of all, what you will do when you come to the Outright website, you will just simply put your text here. Okay, and after that it will show you suggestion and the mistake that it carries within your article. So as you can see, it has started working on it and it has provided a result. So let's fix this error. Okay, and this is how you can customize your or edit your or check the grammar of your text data on this. So you can see that you can also turn on the spelling, grammar, style and structure. By the style and structure features available for the pro package. So you can access this feature by clicking on the access all start. You can also get the start trial. So that's how basically you can use this platform for grammar check stuff, for grammar check of your text. You can also implement this in your emails. So that's how your email looks professional too. So that's how basically you can use Outright for grammar checking. So I hope you like the video, understand the concept of Outright. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.